You only have one agenda, submission and opening of bids. This is for the list of venue for Universal Safety Oversight Audit Program Bootcamp 2026. Before the opening, Mr. Chair, the Secretariat would like to recommend that Ms. Odessa Cortez, MK Badwa, and Attorney Clint Bonite et al. Be designated as a technical working group for this project, Mr. Chair.
Move to adopt, Mr. Chair, the recommendation designating Ms. Cortez and company to be the technical working group for this project.
Second the motion.
Motion is approved.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, proceeding to the opening. A quick background for this one. The Secretariat sent out three RFQs to three different suppliers. The Secretariat received only one. Just this morning, 7:38, from Club Balay Isabel Inc., Banga, Talisay, Batangas. At this point, we have invited the representative supplier to join us in the proceeding, Mr. Chair. To the representative po, sir, ma'am, magandang umaga po. Welcome to today's proceeding of Back Bravo. Ma'am, please be reminded that this proceeding is recorded for documentation and transparency purposes. For now po, kindly approach the mic and state your name and the company you represent for transparency purposes po. Salamat po.
Good morning. I'm Lisel Ching from Club Balay Isabel.
Good morning po. I'm Norel from Club Balay Isabel po.
Thank you, sir. Hello, sir. Hello, ma'am. Magandang umaga po. Sir, ma'am, can you confirm ito po ba yung binigay niyong quotation? Sale quotation?
Yes po.
With that confirmation, permission to proceed, sir.
Proceed.
Thank you, sir. Inside the submission, sealed long brown envelope. Sa white folder with documents that has no tabbings nor initials on each and every page. Checklist, please.
Checklist. Valid mayor's permit or business permit.
Valid mayor's permit. Issued by the municipality of Talisay. Valid until December 31, 2026. Submitted.
Valid PhilJEPS registration certificate.
Issued to, as shown, on, until, with 3 pages. PhilJEP certificate submitted.
Income business tax return.
For the year ended December 2024, submitted.
Duly accomplished request for quotation proposal form in the prescribed format as attached.
Submitted.
That's all for the eligibility documents, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, sir. Sir, in the financial document submitted by the supplier, signed, sir, the offer is in the amount of 3,307,567 pesos. No discount and below the ABC. Sir, the ABC for this project is 3,800,000. Sir, since this is a negotiated procurement, the floor is now open for negotiations.
Good morning. Ano na yung first name mo? Yeah. Lisa? Lisel. Lisel. Ilang rooms ba yung Talisay
Actually, Club Balay Isabel po, we do have 200 rooms po.
200 rooms.
Yes.
Okay. Dami. Kasi ba tayo doon? 300 plus. Okay.
Yes po. We have big rooms po kasi, sir. So, we have 4 packs in a room, 6 packs in a room po. And twin sharing din po.
It will be exclusive for for those days, 4, 5, 6.
No po.
5, 6, 7.
No po, sir. Yes. But we do have a function hall po na kayo lang po talaga.
Kasi ba yung
Yes po. Actually, maximum of 400 packs for Taal Pavilion po.
kita ba yung Taal Volcano doon sa?
Yes. Yes po.
Hindi ba puputok sa
Wag naman sana, sir. Wag naman sana, sir.
kasi kung puputok yan, 2.5 yung negotiation ko eh. Oh, dahil hindi puputok, 3 million na lang tayo. 3 million. Yeah.
Actually, sir, that's the best rate that we can offer po.
Alam mo, yung mga dininegotiate nyo, ganyan rin yung sinasabi sa akin.
Actually, sir, we bid for 3.5 and then naghaga na po sa amin. That's why we give at 3.3 million.
Ay, hindi tayo nag-negotiate yan. Okay. Palagay mo, 3 million.
Best rate na talaga, sir, kasi from 3.5 po yung offer namin last
Hindi mo
time.
babawasan ng 307 pan mo. Maghapon tayo dito.
Yun, sir.
3.1. Okay, 3.1.
Mahirapan kami, sir, kasi nag-discount na talaga kami, sir, ng 200,000. Ay, 300,000.
Hindi nga tayo nag-negotiate dyan. The mode of procurement is negotiated procurement. Ah?
Pwede, sir, ano namin, i-flat namin ng 3.3. 7,000 yung
3.2, yeah. Go for it. Kasi actually, sabi ko nga, when I negotiate, 300 yung kwan ko, cutting kwan ko, 300 yung discount. So, ikaw, with 200, may 107 naman. Okay? Yes or yes?
3.250, sir. Pwede. May kapoy na tayo, sir.
Yun na.
3.
Oh. Come on.
3.
Yes. Oh. Ano yan?
Okay po.
Okay.
Sige,
tingnan
sir,
mo.
go.
Okay. 3.2. Okay. Tingnan mo nga. Mameda, ano yung kwarto ko dyan? Ha? Solo ba? Yes.
To the supplier, ma'am.
Okay lang.
To the supplier, ma'am. Can you confirm, tama po ba? Your new bid offer is in the amount of 3.2 million pesos.
Yes, sir.
With that, Mr. Sir, we would like to clarify if the end user accepts this new offer.
Yes, sir.
With that, Mr. Sir, the submitted documents by Balay Isabel is initially rated as passed, and the Secretariat recommends that these documents be forwarded to the Technical Working Group to undergo bid evaluation process, Mr. Chair.
Move to adopt, Mr. Chair, the recommendation for the conduct of bid evaluation and submit the proposal of Club Balay Isabel.
Second the motion.
Motion is, actually, I have with me ay kuan here. Para ikaw ang first kuan. Motion is approved.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. With that, ma'am, maraming salamat po for joining us. We will update you regarding the status of your quotation. For now, ma'am, you are now excused for the rest of the proceedings. Salamat po.